What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 Nissan Armada. We'll also take a look at how we can adjust the mileage for the oil change reminder. So you'll need your Armada either running or the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to do all this using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing I'm going to do is use these arrow buttons here to scroll either left or right. It'll take you to the same screen. So keep scrolling left or right, and as I'm pressing that button, you can see it's taking me here. Keep scrolling left or right until we get to the settings menu. Once we're on the settings menu, then I'm going to use this button to scroll down, and keep scrolling down until we get to maintenance. Once maintenance is highlighted, we're going to press the OK button, and that's pressing this button in. That takes us to our maintenance screen, and you see oil and filters highlighted there. So we'll go ahead and press the OK button again. And that's going to take us to this. So this one shows 0 miles driven of the 7,000 miles because this one was just reset. But how we can adjust the mileage before the next reminder is once this is highlighted, if we press the OK button, that would take us to this screen, and then we can scroll down like this, and as I'm doing that, you can see it adjusts the mileage in increments of 250 miles. So you can set that at whatever you want. I'm going to set this back to 7,000. So again, to scroll up or down changes the mileage. Once you get it where you want, we'll press the OK button. And again, that's pressing this button in. Now to reset it, what I'm going to do is it'll take me back to this screen. Once I'm on this screen, I'm going to scroll down until reset is highlighted. Then press the OK button, which is again pressing this in. Then it's saying confirm reset. So using that same button, I'm going to scroll down to yes, and then press the OK button. And then if it wasn't already at 0 mileage, you would see it reset back to 0 mileage there. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.